and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another luxury unboxing. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola. If you love anything pink and girly, then go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram, FabiolaGOfficial. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing. So today's unboxing is from TechHubs.ru. They reached out to me and asked me to choose a handbag from one of their collections. And I am beyond excited because this bag is very similar to one that I own, but it's in a different color, and it's a color that is going to be perfect for the spring and summertime, so I can't wait to share it with you. They also provided me with a coupon code, which I will link down below. The coupon code is QUEEN, and you can save some extra money by using their code. So this is an affordable luxury handbag, if you know what I mean. The shipping was incredibly fast. From the moment I emailed them the purse that I wanted, it only took less than a week to arrive. So shipping is very fast. So let's go ahead and unbox this cutie, and I can share what purse I got. So I do have my scissors, and like I said, it does come packaged very, very good. There's a lot of packaging, and I can already see that there's like bubble wrap in there. I really like when they put a lot of bubble wrap into their packagings, just because it lets you know that the box is not going to be damaged. So here it is. It is an LB bag, and I'm going to go ahead and take off the bubble wrap. Oh, this one's different. Ooh, I really like the box. I don't know if this is like the new collection, like the new way that the boxes look like. The last time I got a Louis Vuitton bag was back for my birthday, and it was still like the original, you know, Louis Vuitton packaging. So this one's really pretty. It's like fancy. It has like the LV, and it has like little logos. So here it is. I'm really excited for this bag. So the bag comes in a plastic bag, and there's the dust bag in there. Let's first take a look of what's inside the box. So inside the box there is the LV ribbon in that like royal blue. There is also this here, which I'm guessing is like the receipt. So it's like the receipt that they have. And then, oh, that's nice, they provide you with a shopping bag. That is really nice. So let's get into the bag. I know we're all waiting for the bag. I am very excited. I haven't seen it in person. I saw it on their website and I fell in love with it. There's even like a little barcode in here in the dust bag. Quality of the dust bag is really nice. I must say, this is like incredibly good. Okay, let's see. I am so excited, girls. I can't wait to share with you. Yes, it is an Alma handbag. Oh my goodness. She is stunning. Wow. Okay, I am in shock right now. This is incredible. Like everything about this bag is incredible. From the look, the way it feels, the stitching, it's just on point. It is literally on point. She is gorgeous. Okay, this is going to be my go-to handbag probably for the whole entire summer. Oh my goodness, like she is beautiful. So there's this like plastic wrapping here, which is really nice. I really appreciate that they like package it so well that it's not going to like scratch the hardware. So I will take all this off and then come back just to save some extra minutes. But look at this beauty. Like, oh my goodness, the handles. The handles is what sold me. All right, let me take all this like plastic off and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it took me forever to remove the plastic that was on the bottom here. Like, it took me forever, but I did it. I did it very, very carefully, and I am in shock right now. She is absolutely beautiful. Like, everything about this purse is stunning. The color, the quality, the way that the hardware shines, it is beautiful. So I do have this same bag in the Damier Ebene, which I got for Mother's Day a couple years ago, and I got that from the Louis Vuitton store. So the reason why I got this one is because I wanted this color, and then I also wanted to kind of compare it. Honestly, I don't see any difference whatsoever. Like, this is amazing. The quality is like literally mirror quality. It's the same thing. I am in shock. And look at the beautiful handles. They are gorgeous. They are in this like beige color with light pink. It's literally screaming my name. The moment I saw this, I'm like, nope, it's this one. I need this bag. It's so pretty. Like, the stitching is on point. The bottom does have little feet, which I really, really love. That's why I love the Alma BBs. It's like the perfect size. It's just beautiful. Like, I love this bag. So I haven't opened it in here yet, but the zipper, can you see the zipper? It is smooth as butter. Like, it is so smooth. So this is the inside. It's pink. I love it. Like, I love it already. I am in love with this pretty little bag. So there is some like stuffing in here. She is so pretty. It's pink, and it has this little like extra compartment. There is a date code in there. Like, that's amazing. So there's a little date code in there. And let's see what's inside. And I love this bag. It's so spacious. I know for a fact this is going to fit all my essentials, like my keys, wallet, my phone, everything. So this is what was inside the bag. It has to be, I'm guessing it's the strap and the key and the little lock. Oops. All right, so yes, it is. Everything comes separately, which is totally fine. This is the little strap that holds the little key. And it says Louis Vuitton Paris. And then we get the lock. The lock is in here. I can feel it. I'm so excited. Okay, I was a little worried. I'm like, okay, where's the lock? But it's in here. So there is the lock and the two little keys. And here is the strap. It's a beige strap. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lock, the strap on, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's all completed. It's always something. Okay, so I attached the lock and then this little hang tag to the purse. It did take me a long time. It literally took me like 15 minutes. I couldn't figure out how to do it. But then I grabbed my bag that I have, the Alma BB, and then I kind of just went from there. But here it is. I attached it. It looks so cute. It does have the two little keys, as you can see here. So it has like the two little keys. So cute. And I attached the lock. It looks so pretty. Like, I am obsessed with this cute little purse. You girls, if you want to get an LV bag, I suggest you get the Alma BB. It's such a classic little bag. It fits and holds so much. It looks incredible, and I think this color is going to be perfect for the spring, for the summer, even for the winter time. Like, this is such a pretty little handbag, and it does have like a little bit of pink in here and a little bit of like light brown, which I think goes great with many different outfits. I am beyond happy with this bag. I highly recommend this, like 1000%. It's like the most beautiful bag ever. You can remove this strap here so that you can just hold it like this. And honestly, my other bag, that's what I do. I use it half of the time as a crossbody, but the other half of the time I just hold it with the handles. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like as a crossbody. Okay, so here is the Alma BB. Such a pretty bag, and you can wear this as a crossbody, which is what I like to do whenever I have to like run errands and I just want to be hands-free. Isn't she just so beautiful? Like, I am obsessed with this little bag so much. Like, it's so perfect. Such a pretty bag. I am 5'6" for reference, and it hits me literally right below my hip area. So that is what it looks like. The strap is not adjustable, so do keep that in mind. And if I was just to hold it with the handles, I could place that in the crook of my arm like so, and you can also remove this long strap. It is just beautiful, and it's the color that I've always wanted, and I'm so glad I picked out this bag. So I will link the exact website as well as this beautiful handbag and then the coupon code so you can save some extra money down below. Make sure to check it out. You can also send me a message through here or through Instagram, and I will share those links with you. Like I said, I do highly recommend this beautiful bag. I hope you loved today's video. Stay posted. I will be doing an updated what fits inside my new Alma baby bag very soon. I hope you all have an amazing and incredible day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
I've been high.